అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు దివ్య. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ విత్ దివ్య.
Hey guys, hope all of you are doing well. So if you didn't see the video of how to do Ashtanga-B Sun Salutations, please go check that out before doing these 5 rounds along with me, and also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Roll in your shoulders, inhale, project your hips backwards and come to chair pose. Now exhale, place your palms on the floor. You can always shift your weight forwards to touch the floor. Inhale, look up. Now exhaling, place your palms on the floor, bend your knees and come to plank. Exhale to Astanga-Namaskar. Inhale to Bhujangasana. Exhaling, tuck your toes and come to mountain. Now bring your right leg forward and come to warrior 1. Inhale, steady, keep your leg behind strong. Come to plank. Exhaling Astanga-Namaskar and inhaling Bhujangasana again. Exhaling Parvatasana. Bring your left foot forward to warrior 1. Exhaling back to plank. Exhale to Astanga-Namaskar. Inhale to Bhujangasana. Now exhale and come to Parvatasana and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now gently bend your knees, jump forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bend down. And inhale, come to chair pose. And relax, Samastiti. So this is our first round. We will be doing 4 more rounds. Let's get started. Come on. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, bend forward, touch the ground if you can. Inhale, look up. Exhale, jump back to plank. Inhale and exhale. I'm doing Chaturanga sequence here. Exhale to Parvatasana and inhale. Take your right foot forward to warrior 1. Keep breathing. Back to plank. You can do the Ashtanga and Bhujangasana. If you are not being able to do Chaturanga sequence, it's okay. Okay, inhale, take your left foot forward to warrior 1, back to plank, Chaturanga sequence. Exhaling, go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bend forward. And inhale to chair pose. Exhale and relax. Okay, 3 more rounds. I'm going to give the counts from now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, look up. 4. Jump back, plank. 5, 6, 7. Adho Mukha Svanasana. 8. Warrior 1 with your right foot. 9 to plank. 10 and 11 Chaturanga. 12 Adho Mukha Svanasana. 13 with your left foot forward, warrior 1. 14 the Chaturanga sequence again. Back to Adho Mukha Svanasana and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently bend your knees and jump forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come to chair pose. Exhale, relax, Samastiti. Very good going. Come on, we are not giving up. 2 more rounds to go. Are you with me? Yay, come on. Inhale, chair pose. 1, 2, bend forward. 3, inhale, look up. 4, jump back to plank. 5 and 6, 7, 8, warrior 1. Keep breathing. 9, back to plank. 10 and 11, 12, Adho Mukha Svanasana, 13, with your left foot forward, warrior 1, back to plank, inhale and exhale, exhaling back to Adho Mukha Svanasana and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bend your knees, jump forward, inhale, look up, and exhale, bend forward as much as you can, inhale to chair pose, exhaling, relax. Last round, hold for 5 counts each, inhale, chair pose, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, bend forward and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can bend your knees if you want, inhale, look up and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, place your palms on the floor, bend your knees, jump back to plank and hold, come on, stay strong, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now place your knees on the floor, chest on the floor and chin on the floor and hold in Ashtanga Namaskara, 3, 4, 5. Or from plank you can also come in Chaturanga and hold there, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next to Bhujangasana, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes, come to Adho Mukha Svanasana, pull your upper body towards your toes, 3, 2, 1. Bring your right foot forward in warrior 1, lunge nicely. Make sure the leg which is behind is straight and strong and the leg which is forward is lunged correctly. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back to plank. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To Chaturanga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale to Bhujangasana. 3, 2, and 1. Tuck your toes, come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your left foot forward to warrior 1. Check your alignment, keep breathing, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back to plank and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your knees, chest and chin on the ground. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale to Bhujangasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tuck your toes, lift your knees and come to Parvatasana and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees. Jump gently forward. Inhale, look up. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling, bend forward as much as you can. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale to chair pose and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling, relax, samastiti.
So yeah, this is it. Ashtanga-B and salutations are way more challenging and beneficial to your body, not just physically but also mentally to your mind. So yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to like and share this video. Also comment how you are feeling after doing these 5 rounds along. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel and also share this video to all of your friends who you think that it will help them, and also tell them to start doing yoga because it is just amazing and change your life. So yeah, take care, bye, see you in the next video.